Did you know that composting can actually heat up to 160 degrees? That's hotter than a summer day in the Sahara. This sizzling fact is due to the microbial party happening inside your compost pile. These tiny organisms break down organic matter, releasing heat as a byproduct. This not only reduces waste, but also creates a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Imagine turning your kitchen scraps into a natural heater and soil booster. So next time you toss a banana peel, remember you are fueling a mini furnace. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.